Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to do data analysis with Python, and this is the series of videos, guys. We can analyze data by using Python, and here in this example, I'm going to showcase you like select one column from a data frame, select multiple column from a data frame, adding a new column to a data frame. So guys, basically, I'm utilizing in the uh, like pandas libraries. So I'm importing this pandas libraries as PD. Here I have created one variable. Okay, load data from CSV file. So actually the data I'm created one variable, data variable, and I'm calling this panda library. Okay, dot read underscore CSV method. This method will read the data. Make sure the file should be uploaded in your location. Okay, where the Python file is available. Then after this one, I'm going to create a like single column. I'm going to select a single column and its name and store into a new variable. So I created one variable prices and I'm calling the data variable and assigning the price column. Okay. And right now I'm going to execute this code. Okay, let's see. So it is working perfectly. Now it is able to read the data. Now I want to display, select a single column using its name, store it in new variable. So now I'm executing this one. After this one, I want to display the first 5 entries of the price series. Okay. Okay. It means guys, this code will return the price column as a panda series, name of prices, and display the first 5 entries. So it is going to display the first price. And this is a data type, name price data type float 64. Now I want to select multiple columns using a list. So I have created a one variable, and inside this one I have created a list, and these are the column names as it has a elements. Now I'm creating one more variable, and here I'm calling the data variable and selected columns. Now I'm displaying the item and categories. So like this we can achieve. Now here selected multiple column using a list. I'm showcasing here. I have pasted one more time, but this is like above example only. Okay, now create a new column named discount with the 10% of this price. For example, data discount. I'm calling the variable with this discount column and storing the data into price. Okay, data, this is a column name I'm mentioning, and into 0.1 I'm calculating with the 10% of the price. Now it is showcasing this one. Okay, 10% of this price means it is like for a particular milk product 0.2425 0 and X for the 0.300. So remaining we will get the for the discount values, guys. So actually the code create a new column discount, and by multiplying existing price column by 0.1 10% and add its okay. So to the original data frame. So this is like I have stored the file groceries item CSV. The in the same directory has my Python script is available. Okay. So this is about the one example, guys, okay, which I have showcased you. So this is the data frame in the Python utilization for the data analysis series. Please watch other videos. So you want to understand more how to analyze data by using Python. Thank you guys for watching this.